Hello everyone. In today's lecture I'd like to explain to you how to protect yourself from the already mentioned attacks. So let's start with the wireless ones. So regarding the authentication attack, unfortunately there is no way to protect yourself against this type of attack, but in the new advanced routers there is a feature that can protect you from this deauthentication attack. Just you need to check with the router suppliers. Regarding the protection which you are going to use for your Wi-Fi network, as we said, there is three types: WEP, WPA and WPA2, and currently there is WPA3 as well. To keep yourself protected, don't use WEP. This is the only way to protect yourself against the WEP attacks, because as we have seen, using the Wi-Fi TE tool can crack the WEP password easily. Don't connect to any open Wi-Fi network unless you know this Wi-Fi network and it is trusted to you, because it may be a honeypot and there is a hacker behind it. Third thing, to avoid the Fluxion attack, which we have seen previously, inform your family members not to connect to the Wi-Fi network with similar SSID or similar Wi-Fi name, because if they have connected, it will show a web page to them and they will put a password on the web page and the hacker can get the password. And to keep yourself protected against the word list or brute force attack or dictionary attack, just please use 16 characters password. The length of the password to be 16 character, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, symbols and numbers. In this case it will be impossible for any hacker to crack it. Now regarding the PC protection, you need to use XARP to notify you if there is any man-in-the-middle attack in your network, or if there is anyone trying to do ARP poisoning or ARP attack. To download this XARP application, just go to Google and write XARP, and here there is advanced ARP spoofing protection. Click on download and download the version for your operating system. After downloading this, the main page or the interface for XARP, it is like this. So what XARP will do is it will scan your network to show you the IP of devices, the MAC address and the host names, and at the same time you can specify the security level you want, basic or high or aggressive. Even if it's on basic, and if anyone try to do ARP attack to your PC, it will notify you. So let me show you one thing. If we run Kali, so in Kali Linux, if we run the command line and through BetterCap we'll try just to do an ARP attack, just to see if the XARP will notify us or not. So just as we have seen previously, we'll go to help and help ARP.spoof. Okay, let's run this just to be the man in the middle. Okay, then ARP.spoof on. What we can see here, if we just restart this to double check if there is something wrong on our network, see, ARP attacks detected. As we have explained before, the MAC address of your machine and of the router machine, it will change. Okay, so this is XARP. It will notify you, but it will not protect you from the XARP. So whenever you have got notification, just disconnect your PC from the network. Okay, this is regarding XARP. Now if we go back to our slides, so you can use XARP tool to notify you regarding any ARP attacks or ARP poisoning or any man-in-the-middle attack. The second thing, and to protect your internet traffic, make sure to install the latest web browser versions like Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, and always please make sure to update your browser. Let's say for Chrome, you can make sure it's updated from here, then help, then about Google Chrome, and this will start updating itself and it will tell it's up to date. And for Mozilla it's the same. You can go to Mozilla Firefox and just check the help menu and there is update. Then from about Firefox you can check if it is up to date or not. Okay. Then third thing here, whenever you have received a file through email or through social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or don't trust this file, especially when you receive it from unknown senders. And the first thing you need to do, you need to check the properties. You can remember how we have spoofed the exe file, the flower file, and we have made it, instead of exe file, we made it JPG, just to look like as a flower, and even if you double click it, you will find it as a JPG file. But whenever you have received a file and you download it to your PC, just right click before opening and go to properties and check the type of the file. So here it will show it's exe, not a JPG or any other document type. So this is number one. Number two, if you have seen here a document, PDF, whatever type you have found here, what you need to do is, if you have a doubt, just you can go to Hybrid Analysis website, go to Google and write Hybrid Analysis. You'll get this website. Just drag and drop your file here and you will get a direct. I have already done it. See, this is flower exe, which is the same name of this file, and you will get a complete report about it, just to tell it's malicious file, and the antivirus detection, it will be 62% of it. And from these indicators you can see this is not a good file or a clean file, and you have just to be careful and not to open it. Okay, just don't open any file from unknown resources. If you open it, as we have seen in the previous lectures, the hacker can get access to your PC within seconds. Thank you. Please just don't misuse the information you already have got. Please be the white hat hacker, not the gray or the black ones. Thank you and stay safe.